Davis. Dang, I just ducked on my pencil box, bruh. But hurt, man. Hurt. I feel hurt, man. Hurt. Alright. What's up? This is my Davis. My Davis. Hey. Whoo. Hey. Let's get it, boy. I'm gonna work on my new nerve. Let's see how that's at work, though. That's so real. So real. Watch it. Let me set the camera up right. Can I see the poster? Look at the poster. Let me zoom in. Okay, look at the poster, guys. I'm off me, bro. Now I just gotta do another thing today. I don't know. Sometimes this thing just go weird. Okay, my bullets was in there. It was kind of like stuck in there. I hate when that happens. And actually, I got another clip. Like, you see me, I got another clip. This is not my other clip. This is the one that I was using. Cause the bullets got here. So my clip got take all out. Here go my other one. Actually, that was on my bullet. That did a great job. Let me know in the comments. Like videos. If we get 4 likes, 4 subscribers, like my last video, 8 subscribers. That is 8 subscribers, 8 likes, and all of my videos. Yeah. No, I've never seen this shirt in my video. It's a Ghostbuster shirt. Slimer. I'm like, guys, why on cameras and mirrors, like, the word is spelled backwards? Like, comment below, tell me why. Or don't have a comment. You just can, if you don't feel like looking it up. If you don't feel like picking it up. Bruh, I just said pick it up. I meant to say it. Look it up with your eye. I got the 4 likes, 4 subscribers. Then, you know what come to? Number 4, 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 number 4. Dude, it's like a green light keeps showing up on my screen. It's like right there. See you guys later.